Want to easily split expenses with friends or family? In this video, I will guide you how you can split expenses on Splitwise. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Splitwise app on your device. If you don't have this, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now log into your account. Once logged in, you want to head over to the Friends tab. Now go ahead and select a friend with whom you'd like to split the bill. Now tap on the Add Expenses option. Go ahead and enter the description. For example, let's say lunch. Now you want to enter the total amount of bill. Let's say $100. Now tap on Paid by You and Split Equally option. Splitwise will show you how much each person owes. For instance, if you paid the full amount, the other person owes you $50. If it's a different scenario, it will adjust accordingly. Finally, hit save and you're done. You have successfully split the expense on Splitwise. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.